Now, each aspect of this protocol is powerful in and of its own self, but when put together and combined, they all exponentially enhance each other's effects. Let me show you how. Hi there, this is Darcy Frankel. I'm coming to you from my Hanalei Day Spa here on Kauai. Some of you may know that I'm an experienced cleansing and rejuvenation specialist. I've been practicing Ayurvedic medicine for about 25 years and running my day spa here on Kauai for about 15 years. And after an interesting turn of events, I recently decided to make my Serious Cleanse protocol available to the public, not just guests at my day spa. Today, I'm here sharing with you about my Serious Cleanse protocol. We consume toxins with each bite, every breath, every drink, every shower, and body product we use. Sadly, everyone has some level of toxicity these days. What we need to ask ourselves is, what's my toxic burden and how is that affecting my health? We're bombarded from chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals from every direction. Toxins are everywhere. Toxins affect us, and we need to take action to protect ourselves. In order to be healthy, we must cleanse these toxins from our body. The Serious Cleanse protocol is a cleansing kit that helps you eliminate all kinds of toxins, from garden variety toxins to serious chemicals and heavy metal toxins from the body. It's easy, and it only takes about 30 minutes to do. You do it for 5 days, 1 to 4 times a year, and it literally draws toxins out of your body. You can do the Serious Cleanse protocol at home. You don't need to come into my day spa, unless of course you want to. It all starts with our organs of detoxification: the liver, the kidneys, the skin, and the lymphatic system. These pathways of detoxification get so backed up that they begin to actually cause symptoms. The symptoms are the first stages of disease. But when we cleanse them, our body begins to function better. Now, these symptoms are commonly rashes, allergies, joint aches and pains, insomnia, endocrine and digestive issues. They all seem to disappear when we cleanse. That's why I created the Serious Cleanse courses and this protocol. The Tulsi Cleanse tea in the protocol helps to support the first organs of detoxification, the liver and the kidneys. Tulsi is an adaptogen, and it helps the body to adapt to stress, and Tulsi is found to remove pollutants and heavy metal toxins from the body. Then I teach you very specific movements to cleanse the next organs of detoxification. The lymphatic and skin cleansing, I teach you simple, brief, easy to do movements to manually circulate your lymphatic fluid. In my experience, most people have extraordinarily sluggish and stagnant lymph systems. And most people have so much dead skin built up, their lymphatic system and skin aren't able to eliminate toxins and take in effectively. Then the Serious Cleanse body mask has powerful botanical binders which draw toxins out of the whole body through the skin. I've had this really unique opportunity to refine and develop protocols, treatments, and products over the years in my rejuvenation and cleansing retreats and at my day spa here. I call this the Serious Cleanse Body Mask. It's a combination of powerful earth and sea ingredients, clays, kelps, muds, and potent herbs, all which bind to toxins and pull them out through the skin. I've used the Serious Cleanse Body Mask on ordinary healthy people to folks who've had chemo, radiation, and even been exposed to Agent Orange. The people who've used the Serious Cleanse Body Mask and the protocol report fewer symptoms of toxicity, and they say that they feel clearer and lighter, and they have more energy. It's pretty amazing. It's deeply healing, and I'm ecstatic to share this with you today. As I mentioned, at every turn, we're receiving a barrage of negative input, which tends to accumulate in the body. Now, quantifying toxins is really hard to do, but we know for sure that we're all being exposed to thousands of toxins than at any point in human history. The more combinations of toxins, the worse the effect on us. Sometimes results can take years to show up. I feel so strongly that we need to protect ourselves and our loved ones. That's why I'm sharing this serious cleanse with you. With this protocol, you get to take charge of your health and eliminate the root causes of disease and have better chances to live happier, healthy, more quality and long life. Remember, we either buy the filter, use a filter, or our bodies become the filter. Now, there are 3 steps to the protocol. Make and drink the tea, then do the skin and lymphatic cleansing with the video tutorial, and then apply the Serious Cleanse body mask to your body and let it work for 10 or 15 minutes. When you do this protocol for 5 days, 1 to 4 times per year, and take the measures that I give you to filter out these toxins, along with healthy eating and exercise, you grow in health each year. Unless you've done a cleanse and have felt that overwhelming sense and feeling of clarity and health and lightness that comes from doing a cleanse, it's really hard to imagine. That's why I invite you to find out for yourself. So commit to yourself now. Remember, actions that we take now affect us in the future. So commit to your future self. If you're ready to take your health to the next level, click below to order the Serious Cleanse protocol.